So you're thinking about moving right here to Frisco, Texas? Well, we're in one of the most exciting new communities out here in Frisco called Lexington. Now this place has lots starting at the 37 wide that go up to 74 feet wide. You're gonna have a number of different builders to choose from, and the starting prices are gonna be anywhere from the 500s to well over $1 million, depending on the builder and the lot size. This community is gonna have absolutely everything you could possibly imagine. It's gonna have a school, it's gonna have $2 billion worth of commercial mixed use property. It's gonna have a swimming pool, playgrounds, trails, as well as a fitness center, and its own grocery store with time. So this is all not yet being built, but it's currently being built right now, and they're gonna be starting on that later this year. So a very exciting new community. This place is gonna have over 2,000 homes when it's all said and done. But the place we're gonna be focusing on today is gonna be the 37-foot wide lots, and that's because they are the most affordable option in Frisco, Texas right now as far as new construction goes. Like I said, they're gonna be starting in the 500s, and what's special about these houses is they are maintenance free. So you're gonna get your yard taken care of. The only thing that is attached on these houses is gonna be the garage in the back. So the house is completely detached. It's absolutely gorgeous, tall soaring ceilings, and feels much bigger than it is. So let's go ahead and check out this first property. So this is gonna be a Landon home, and this plan is called D373. It's gonna be a 4-bed, 3-bath with a loft space just under 2,100 square feet. And I think you're gonna be amazed at how big this home actually feels. So as soon as you walk into the house, over to the right, you're gonna have an ensuite bathroom as well as a guest bedroom and a master bedroom. So the first bedroom is right at the front of the house with absolutely massive windows, tons of natural light coming in here. And then right across the hallway, you're going to have the master bedroom up in the front, which is a little different than what you usually see, but a really nice size master. You got a king size bed in here, and then you're gonna have your beautiful master bathroom with the 2 sinks, as well as a soaker tub and a shower. And then you're gonna be amazed at how big this closet space is for such a small house. All right, now that we checked out the first 2 bedrooms on the front side of the house, we're gonna walk into the rest of the house. You're gonna have this long extended entryway with very tall ceilings and a beautiful staircase. Now that's gonna walk you up to the other 2 bedrooms, bathroom, and loft space. But very wide open right here, makes the house feel really big. You're gonna have a laundry room off to the right side right there, and then you're going to enter all the way in the back of the house, and you're gonna be in your living room space. So once again, you're gonna have taller ceilings in here. These look about 11, 12-foot ceilings, so much higher than the front of the house. You're gonna have your kitchen area, living space, and then a galley style kitchen. Almost has like a New York kind of style vibe to it. But you got a really cool little bar space, gas stove, appliances, so very high-end finishes, and just looks really nice and clean, and you can look and still watch your television, hang out with people, and still have a nice amount of space to have people over. right, so like I said, lots of high-end finishes, tons of cabinet space for a size kitchen like this, but like I said, this is the 37 wide plan. You're gonna have multiple options. So if you want a more wide open kitchen, you're gonna be able to do that. And you're gonna have multiple other lot sizes to choose from in bigger houses depending on your budget. So we're gonna come from the kitchen once again and back through the living area that is absolutely huge for such a small house. And we're gonna go upstairs and see what that's all about. I think you're gonna be amazed at this house being just under 2,100 square feet and all the bedrooms, bathrooms, and the size of everything. And I think them opening up to, you know, the top of the ceiling being around 20 feet or so really makes a huge difference. So now we've made it upstairs. You're gonna notice right to the left side is gonna be a nice little office space tucked away. So if you wanna get some work done, kind of be away from everybody, you can do so. And then you're gonna have this loft area that can be used as a game room, media room, whatever you wanna do with it. And it's a good size for just about anything you wanna do. So now after you walk through the loft area / game room, you're gonna come to the last bathroom and 2 bedrooms. So you're gonna have a full bathroom with a double vanity once again, which is really nice, as well as these 2 very good sized bedrooms. The one in the front of the house is of course my favorite. It's good size, it's got double door closet and tons of windows. You're gonna have 4 windows in this bedroom. So it is super bright. There are no lights on right now. And it just, I don't know, it's got an awesome view as well. So this is where I'd want to be. Then you're gonna walk into the next bedroom once again. Plenty of space. You've got a desk area. You've got 1 large window, so not as much natural light as the other one with 4 windows, but still a really great space, and a double wide closet as well, or double door closet. So here we are at the outdoor space. Now we've got a nice little covered patio, definitely not huge, but plenty of space for you and a few people. You're gonna have gas hookups back here as well. So if you have a grill, you don't wanna deal with propane, you're gonna be able to hook up directly to the house, as well as electrical connections to put a TV up. Then you're gonna have a decent sized backyard space. This place is not huge by any means because you're gonna have a garage, and it's a rear facing garage, so that takes up a lot of the room, but you also have a side yard as well. So if you have a little dog or anything, you can still do some things back here. It's definitely not the townhome feel. You're gonna have more than enough space to do what you wanna do if you're not worried about having a huge yard. And like I said, you're gonna have your yard taken care of for you. We got it. The gate works, but then you're gonna walk out here. These would be garages, but this is the model home. So right now they are office spaces, but this is gonna be your garage setup. You're gonna have a little bit of a divider right here, but that's about it. So this is the only attached part. The house is not attached in any way, so you don't have to worry about noise and things like that, but the garage space is. So these are gonna be 2-car garages. And then you're gonna notice, this is kind of like how it is in the older areas out in Plano, and it's gonna be this alleyway feel. So with the garage spaces being in the front, you're gonna have an alleyway, and it's gonna go just like this. So you're gonna pull your car through the back. That's something that a lot of people like, but a lot of people don't like. So it's all about preference, but it's kind of nice because you actually do get a backyard space. If you were to buy a townhome that's similar to this with a rear facing garage, you're not gonna get any yard at all. So I hope you enjoyed today's tour of this video. Like I said, this is the smallest plan that they have as far as lot sizes, and the most affordable, starting in the 500s out here in Frisco with Frisco ISD in an amazing location, but you can go all the way up to 74-foot wide lots and estate type properties. So they've got this and everything in between, including very large properties. So if you did not, if there's nothing for you out in this area, maybe you're looking at a different area, I can help with that as well. We've got tons of videos on Frisco and many other surrounding locations. But I hope you enjoyed today's video, and remember, give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email, and I would love to help you and your family make a smooth move to Dallas. Hope to see you around town.